Shore is still seeing showing activity with some areas higher than others, and new contracts are up. It's Friday, August 4th, 2023. I'm Kimberly Barton of Kinetic Realty, your local market expert with this week's Maryland Eastern Shore Report. Subscribe to stay updated on our local market and let me know what you want to know. Cecil County experienced higher buyer activity while Dorchester is enjoying a renewed moderate activity after being slow for quite a while, probably due to the current waterfront development that is moving along quickly and is predicted to impact surrounding home prices. Prices there are definitely up with the expectation of a ferris wheel, amphitheater, and a renewal of tourism in Cambridge. Queen Anne's, Caroline, Wicomico, and Somerset Counties are all steady. Talbot, Worcester, and Kent Counties are all slow. This week, inventory fell to 1,175 homes for sale on the shore. 112 homes are poised to hit the market soon, falling from last week. 190 homes came to the market over the past week, a slight rise over last report. 91 went under contract and 110 went to pending. 183 properties sold in 10 days at 99.5% list to sold ratio. The highest price home sold in the past week was in Church Hill for $1,625,000. Homes for lease rose again this week to 73 at $2,200 per month. That's a wrap for this week's Maryland Eastern Shore Report for Friday, August 4th, 2023. Thanks so much for tuning in. Have a great weekend, and I'll see you next week.